Hi there and welcome to Flygfabriken and our weekly update. Since we are waiting for some epoxy material that hopefully shows up end of the next week, we have been focusing on making stocks for new plugs. We have also received a new servo motor for the bellotti milling machine. Unfortunately, we have ordered the slightly wrong model. I have ordered a new one and this time I think it's correct. Hopefully it arrives in the end of next week. And hey you out there, don't forget to fly some in between all hard work you're doing. Thank you for watching and see you in a week. Bye.